Say hi to the neighbor's puppy. She wants your belly rub. Everybody pet her. Everybody pet a puppy. Everybody pet a puppy. It makes your day so much better. Yes, it does. I gotta wash my hands and make something for the neighbors. Okay, neighbors, how are ya? Welcome to the neighborhood. Welcome. If you're new, welcome back. Oh, I turned the mic off. No, I didn't. Anyway, budget meal. Let's get started. Or corn chips. Let's get yourself some corn chips. Nacho chips, whatever. You could even do Doritos if you want. We want to make these into crumbs. It's going to be budget friendly. Put enough in there. Let's put it all in there. Let's go for it. Go big or go home. I'm going to make these. Don't mind the mess of me. We're out doing stuff in the yard, neighbors. Yep, they look like crumbs. A salsa burger. So we're going to use this today. Nice and healthy. Can of red kidney beans. It is 440 mils or 19-ounce can. Okay. So I'm just going to put the crumbs. I'll measure them out so you kind of know how many crumbs I made. You can watch what you want, hon. I could always voice over if there's a problem. Go play a game of darts and then come up for some burgers. I got to show you guys the basement. I'm going to do a video in the next couple of days. I'm going to do a little bit of what's around my refrigerator, my freezer, blah, blah, blah. I got a cup worth of, you can use breadcrumbs if you don't have the corn chips. I'm using corn chips because I'm going with a certain theme, a certain flavor, certain flavors. How are y'all been? I got a couple of recipes going to be doing like soon. I was busy for a week there with lots of appointments. But now I don't have an appointment now for a few more days. So I'm good. Okay, I'm going to pulse these and mush them up. Got to get myself an egg as well. Scrape them down. Hope everybody's doing well. That's all I want. Everybody to do well. I want every one of us to not be worried about this world we live in. Be nice, wouldn't it? Peace. Can you see? Oh, yeah. Oh, my goodness. I tell you, I got a Canadian recipe coming. I bet you, if it's on the internet, maybe one or two people have it on there. So you got to help push it when I put it out there, because it's not something that I don't think a lot of people would type in, but it's something that a lot of people would love. Would love, love, love. So I'm going to need your help pushing it out when the time comes. Okay, there we go. We got our beans. I'm going to add a little bit of salsa. Let me check how much I'm going to add. Probably half a cup. Woo! Oh my gosh. It's a little more than half. 2/3 of a cup of salsa. I would say a good teaspoon or so of a taco season or a Tex-Mex. I used a medium salsa. If you're interested in knowing, go to get an egg. Cracko. Now, ideally, I'm just going to throw the rest of these chips in, just because I don't want to waste it. It's only a few crumbs anyway. If you find it too wet, you can add breadcrumbs or crackers. Crackers and taco seasoning would work too. And ideally, you would let that sit in the refrigerator for like 30 minutes. But we are not doing that today. And I find that it will soak up some of the stuff a lot easier when you have, you could do this like the night before and put it in the refrigerator. Make your patties the next day. Good make ahead. Excusez-moi. Gotta clean as I go. I can't help it because, yeah, it's just the way I roll. Friday, I have an appointment, but I think on Fridays I make like stir-fry dish pretty much every Friday. So I'll probably make it this Friday. I do have an appointment like way out of town with a specialist, and then so hopefully I'll have the energy when I get back so I can make that. If not, I'll make it Saturday, I guess. But I like making it on Fridays. Let's go over here, neighbors. Oh, Daisy, don't drop the neighbor. I'm going to show you how to make some hamburger buns as well. Soon. I'm going to wash my hands again. I'm going to put my hands in this here. Then I'll wash them again. But that's okay. You can make 4 to 6 burgers. We make 4 kind of nice size ones. But a can of the beans only cost $1.29 or something like that on sale. Like they used to cost $1 on sale. Now they're like on sale $1.29. So I'm going to get like a good 4 burgers out of this. I have a couple of, I don't know if you're interested or not. We'll see how this how this one is received. But I have a couple of more like bean burgers with other flavors and different beans. I just so wanted to get on. I had like 5 days in a row last week of appointments, and then we had a long weekend. So I was recovering from some stuff. And that's why I'm a bit late getting another video out. I'm not making excuses. I'm just chatting. Just chatting. I got a plate to put them on. I got some avocado. Avocado is really good for if anybody's watching their like wanting more fiber intake. 13 grams in that one avocado, around 13, 14 grams of fiber. But Graham's going to want ketchup and stuff. Oh my gosh! There's like I say, I cannot wait. Got so much to share, and I will be having, I think, great success. I'm going to get a few more things done so that my illnesses get more under control, which will be nice. See, this is kind of wet. That's why I like leaving them in the fridge. Gotta give it some time because it's wet. Leaving them in the fridge for 30 minutes before you start making them they're a lot firmer, a lot better. I say there's only a couple of like leftover corn chips, which we had left over from the weekend. Montreal Canadiens won, so we were quite happy about that. Watching the hockey. Watched how they had celebrated in the Bell Center in Montreal. Oh my God, they raised the roof. Oh my gosh, please help me flip this. Don't break. Uh-oh, Spaghetti-O. That one's mine. Get the broken one. I'm like a sloppy Joe. Oh, I have a sloppy Joe recipe. I'll try to link it. If you like sloppy Joes, it's the way that my mom used to kind of add stuff. Anyway, it's really good, so hopefully You'll watch it. I'll try to link it or look for it on the channel. A little bit of mayonnaise. A little bit of mustard. Graham likes ketchup. I don't think I have any pickle. It is. It's really good. Some onion. A little bit of onion. I think Graham's going to want more ketchup. I like red onion a lot better. A little bit of tomato. More ketchup for Graham. More mustard for me. I love mustard. This is Ontario, like the growing lettuce. Some avocado. I'm going to take a tasty poo for you. Oh, daisy. There you go, hon.
Thank you very much. Look at that.
You're very welcome. I'm going to have a tasty poo for the neighbors.
Go for it.
Then I'll come in and sit down. And I usually use a half a cup of salsa, but I use 2/3. Cheers, neighbors. Love it. Have another taste. Thanks for being here, neighbors. I appreciate you. I'll be back in a couple of days with my stir fry. Please come back again. Bye.